Cauchemar. C'est un cauchemar. Je peux plus. Je t'ai vu.
The southern French departments of Hérault and Gard faced heavy rains yesterday, where over 150 millimeters of rain fell in just a couple of hours in some parts. This led to flooding in places, notably Saint-Gély-du-Fesque, just north of Montpellier. Both Hérault and Gard were briefly placed on red alert for rains and flooding yesterday by Météo France, the highest alert level. Around 135 millimeters of rain fell over Nîmes in 1 hour, while around 70 millimeters fell over Montpellier. The red alert for Hérault and Gard has been downgraded to orange, and the departments remain on this level this morning. 9 other departments in the south of the country are also on orange storm alert. They are Ardèche, Bouches-du-Rhône, Drôme, Isère, Loire, Haute-Loire, Rhône and Vaucluse.